Great, for today we are going to learn about the 5 pillars of Islam. And pillar means something that's important, something that if you don't do or do not believe in, doesn't make you a Muslim. In order to be a Muslim, you have to do all these things or believe in them. What are the 5 pillars? Muslim people who follow Islam have 5 duties which are called 5 pillars of Islam. Every Muslim tries to carry out these 5 things, and it helps them to feel that they are members of the worldwide Muslim community. The first one is Shahada or faith. This pillar is believing and saying the words, "There is no God except Allah, Muhammad is his messenger." When you say this, you become a Muslim, and you have to say it with intent and to believe it, to have faith in it. The second pillar is Salah. This pillar is praying 5 times a day. There are 6 prayers which Muslims should say, and all the Muslims should face Mecca, which is our Qibla, and should pray on a prayer mat on time. People should wash before they pray, and there are fixed movements which include kneeling and the forehead placed on the ground. This expresses servant status to the human being in relation to Allah. And we have 5 prayers, one in the Fajr time, the second one in the noon, the third one al-Asr, the third one in the evening, the fifth one, at night. The third pillar is Zakah. Each year, Muslims are supposed to give some of their savings for charity, such as helping the poor. In this way, they believe that their wealth is made pure. So Zakah is giving money, people who are able to give money to people who don't have enough money. The fourth one is fasting. Muslims must not eat food and drink during the month of Ramadan during daylight hours. And the last one is Hajj, or we call it pilgrimage in English. This is making a pilgrimage to Mecca at least once in your lifetime if you can afford it, if you have the money to do it. And these are the 5 pillars of Islam.